Hey, let's take a look at this really cool little toy I've got here. So these are transforming robot toys. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So first off, looks like we've got two toy cars here. And these are kind of like transforming cars here, kind of like Transformers. So yeah, you get the two cars, little race cars. You can roll them around, etc. They roll nicely. Cool looking little sports cars. But they have a little secret here. So these you do not transform manually like Transformers, where you're going to manually transform them. You can't really do that with these. What these do have here, you can see this one has like this bumper here. This one has this part here, so you're going to stick them together. Once they hit each other, you're going to get a really cool surprise. So you do like that. Boom. Turns into this really cool unicorn. You can see there, they attach to each other magnetically. Once the magnet attaches, then it transforms itself, and you've got this really cool blue unicorn. They have a couple of other colors as well. So yeah, super cool. Really fun toy for kids or anyone who likes transforming toys like this. And then to put it back together, you can just fold it back up like that. And this one, just fold everything in like that. And then you'll have it back as cars. So yeah, super cool. Really unique. If you're looking for a cool toy like this for kids or adults who like these type of toys, then be sure to check this out.